My mom taught me how to cook when she was on chemotherapy, so I learned really quick at the age of 7, and I've just loved it ever since. I had a knack for it and wanted to go to culinary school. I chose the Army to become a culinary specialist, and I've loved it ever since. I went to Fort Lee, Virginia for AIT, Advanced Individual Training, where I learned to be a culinary specialist in about 8 weeks. You learn how to cook food from scratch. In small garrison, where you learn to cook chocolate chip cookies from scratch, mac and cheese, fried chicken, cobblers, pies. And then you go into the kitchen where you actually have like a small DFAC. A DFAC is a dining facility where you see all the cooks, the 92 Golfs, culinary specialists come in. We cook the food that you come in and eat to replenish your body. And then you go to field training exercise where you learn to cook on a CK, an MKT, an AK. The CK is a conventional kitchen where it's literally like a big kitchen, but on a trailer. You have an MKT, which is a mobile kitchen trailer. It's an open one where you can walk around it. You have an AK, which is an assault kitchen, which you're working outside with it, or in a hard sheltered building. I would join the Army to be a culinary specialist. And the reason I say that is because you could travel with the Army and you can go to Japan and learn how to be a sous chef. You can go and become a pastry chef in Germany. You can learn how to make their pastries in garrison. You can go to advanced culinary training in Fort Lee, Virginia. We take pride in our food and we show love. We don't say, oh, we're gonna cook this and oh, it's gonna taste bad today. No, we actually go in there, we give it our love, and we throw down with everything. We are the replenishing force of the Army.